Hello everyone, it's Elle from gmailfiend once again, and for this video I'll be showing you guys how to change the view of your primary tab to multiple inboxes. So as you can see over here, we have unread emails and read emails, and if you want to customize this to multiple inboxes, then you can do so by following the steps of this tutorial. So what you have to do next after you have this page loaded is to click the gear icon over here, so it can be found at the upper right corner of your screen. And if you click the gear icon, then you will see the quick settings overlay, and just scroll a little bit downwards and you can see the inbox type part. And what you have to do next is to click the last option, which is the multiple inboxes. So if you tick this bullet, just wait for it to load, and as you can see, we have the start emails, your drafts will be shown as well, and your main inbox. So you can customize this however you like. You can add some more sections, so you can do that by clicking customize over here. So if you want more, you can add them here. Just type in whatever you like, and you can also change the multiple inbox position, the maximum page size, and the like. So yes, feel free to explore this part, and then you're good to go. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you tune in for more.